A whole lot of scary going on right now. And I see so many thinking.
Ladies, our next devoted event is going to be on the 15th of June, and it's going to be all about mental health. So we would love you to come and join us. We've got teaching from Pastor Julie Keir from Audacious Church in Manchester. She's a psychotherapist, and she's going to bring some excellent teaching on mental health issues and how we can support others with those and how we can keep our own mental health good as well. So that's the 15th of June at 5 p.m. We hope you can join us for that.
Shouting out Jesus is alive. I want to have a faith that finally moves that mountain right before me.
Due to growing numbers here at Excel Church on a Sunday morning, we're excited to announce that from Sunday the 9th of June we're going to double morning services. So that means you can choose whether you come either to our 9:30 a.m. service or to our 11:45 service. There's going to be a full kids programme at both of them, and it means that hopefully it'll be a little bit easier for you to find a parking space. We want to thank you all for your support during this time, and we're excited to start our double services from Sunday the 9th of June.
You healed my heart, and you can heal this land. I want to see signs and miracles. I want to see.
As the month of May has 5 Wednesdays, we've got something extra special for you on the 5th Wednesday. That's the 29th of May. We've got our next Leadership Development Night. Everybody is welcome to come along, and we've got a special guest, Lucas Dewhurst from Life Church in Warrington, coming to share the word with us. We hope you can join us 29th of May for the Leadership Development Night. On Saturday the 18th of May at 5 p.m. there's going to be a short talk on apprenticeships here at church. So if you would like to come along and find out more about what opportunities there are regarding apprenticeships in the region, then you can come along and there'll be free refreshments for you. So that's the 18th of May at 5 p.m. That's everything for Excel News for this week. Remember, you can check out our website for more details of anything that goes on here, or if you want some more information, you can speak to our lovely welcome team as well. I hope you have a fantastic week, and we'll be seeing you back next Sunday for more Excel News.